What's the meaning of cohesion? Cohesion. Cohesion.
Cohesion. Cohesion. Cohesion refers to the degree to which the components of a system or group work together effectively to achieve common goals. A highly cohesive group or system will have its members or components tightly connected and mutually supportive, with little conflict or dysfunction. This can result in improved productivity, increased morale, and better outcomes overall. Conversely, low cohesion can lead to friction, dysfunction, and even failure. Therefore, fostering cohesion is crucial for success in many contexts, from teamwork to organizational management.